Hey everybody. So are you guys facing a problem in your GP where it says something went wrong? So every time I try to open a GP, it says something went wrong and it automatically closes. Really don't have to worry about it. Because in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can fix or something went wrong in GP problem. But before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget that hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video. Without any further ado, the first thing could be if you're trying to use GP if you're in a country where it's unavailable. So let's say you're in a country where GP is not available, because GP is not available in all country. And to check if GP is available in a country or not, you can just search on your Google. Writing country where GP is available is going to give you the list of country variables available. And if your name is not in that list, then basically your GPA is not available over there. And the only way to fix this problem is the use of VPN and connect your VPN to a country where GPA is the VI level, and your GPA should work smoothly. But let's say your connection issue is not a problem. But like your GP is basically just not working. Even though you're in a country where it is not bad, right? The one way to fix it is closer GP. Hold on your GP. Click on App Info and click on Storage. Click on Clear Data. Click on OK. So what I just did right now is called Offloading App. So if you're an iPhone user, you gotta search on how you guys can offload app on iPhone. They're going to teach you how you guys can offload app. And you got to offload Google Pay by watching those videos. Alright, because I don't have an iPhone, right? So once you do that, basically, it's done. And let's say it still doesn't fix a problem after doing that. Hold on GP. Click on App Info, go on versus Permissions. Make sure to turn all this permission on, and once all of this is turned on, close it, open your GP. It should open up. If it still doesn't, just delete your Google Pay and reinstall it again and it should start to work. So that's how we guys can fix your something went wrong in GB. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye everybody. Have a nice day.